Hello each and everyone, welcome back to this channel. It's Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here again with another great recipe for you guys. It's a hearty grain bowl I'm going to prepare today, which I'm using bulgur and quinoa. It's really healthy for you guys. You can add whatever you like to it, alright? But this, I'm going to show you how to prepare this bulgur and quinoa. So the bulgur wheat, it's pretty simple and easy to cook. This one, it's 10 minutes. It's ready in 10 minutes. We're gonna try it out. This is what it looks like. Comes in this box here. I'll come a little bit closer. You guys can see that. It's a President Choice brand. I'm sure you can find bulgur and quinoa anywhere. But I'm gonna show you how I prepare this one on the stovetop. All right, so it says in a saucepan you're going to use 2¼ cups of water, which work out to 550 ml water. You put in your pan, get to a boil, and you stir and reduce the heat. As soon as it's still boil again, and then simmer, and it should be ready. In cover it, and it should be ready in 10 minutes. Pretty simple and easy. And I show you guys step by step how to prepare this. I'm just going to show you what I'm going to add inside of it. I got some peppercino oil right here, which is olive oil and some chili flakes. And I'm going to use some kidney beans. I won't use all of this bean, maybe half of this can right here. All right, this is a 19-ounce can. I'm going to use half of this. And the beans, I'm going to rinse it. This says no salt added, which is really good. I want to use that because don't like too much sodium, all right? So, and I got some bouillon cubes right here. I'm using the chicken flavor. You can use a veggie flavor if you like. I'm going to use 1 cube, all right? And I'm going to use 1/4 of a medium-sized onion. 1 tomato right here. This is just a medium tomato aroma. And I got 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper here and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So we're gonna get this cook off. And I'm also gonna use a tablespoon of butter inside of this while I'm boiling it. You can use just olive oil if you like, your choice. And I got 1/2 cup of lentil beans going on my stovetop. I'm gonna add that in as well as soon as this cooks. And I'll top it off with some avocado as soon as it's finished. That's what I'm gonna have it with, all right? So I'm just gonna prep these and show you step by step how to prepare this hearty grain bowl, all right? So I'll just show you how I dice up my tomatoes here. Nothing fancy. You can just get like a 1/4-inch dice for your tomatoes. You can also use some grape tomatoes. Just cut them in half and that should be good. I'm just using some regular tomatoes today. Alright, just dice those up. I'm going to get them right inside this bowl right here. Then my onion. Just going to dice these as well. Beautiful. I got some fresh parsley that I washed right here. I'm just gonna chop this nicely. So just a rough chop. This will add a little bit of flavor to it as well. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna get the rest of the prep going. Alright, so I got my 2 1/4 cup of water right here in this pot, and I'm gonna put my bouillon cube right inside it. Just break it up and drop it in that water right there, and I'm gonna add all these spices. Well, that's just the black pepper and the garlic powder that's going inside. And I'm gonna get this in the stovetop and get it to a boil, and then I'll add the grains to it. Alright, so this got about 3 minutes left on it. I just open it and I'm fluffing it with a fork right now. Give it a nice stir. After the 3 minutes, this should be ready. As I said, it takes 10 minutes and it's approximate 10 minutes it will take. Alright, so right here we're back getting ready with the hearty grain bowl right here. This is done. As I said, it takes approximately 10 minutes. Just gonna put it right in a bowl. You can have this as a nice warm salad, or you can cool it down and have it as a cold salad. Today I'm gonna have it as a warm salad. I'm just gonna add the tomatoes and the parsley and the red onions right inside of this bowl right here. The bouillon cubes gives it a lot of flavor. You can taste the flavor in there. It's so lovely. Right now I'm gonna add the lentil beans in there. And I did say I'm gonna use only a half of a can of the red beans, but you know what? I don't want to waste it. I don't want to have it sitting in my fridge. So I rinse it, drain it, and I'm gonna add all of the beans, the 19-ounce can, right inside. Mix it up nicely, give it a nice stir with your spatula. Smells so good. The parsley is in there, the tomatoes, the lentil, and the kidney beans. Now I'm gonna add some pepperoncino oil inside. Give it a nice spice kick to it. I'm gonna give that a nice stir again. Wow, this is lovely. Beautiful. And I have a couple slices of avocado gonna go inside. Right now I got my bowl right here. I'm just gonna show you how we're gonna plate this up nicely in a beautiful bowl right here. All right, top it off like that. A little bit more because it's so good. All right, my avocado right here. I'm just gonna place this right on top, just like that. That's the beauty. And get a sprig of parsley. You just tuck that right beside your avocado. Looking lovely. I'll show you guys what that bowl looks like. That's your hearty veggie bowl right there. All right, looking beautiful. All right, I know the season is coming up. You're looking for a lot of these healthy bowls. There's more coming. All right, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you're new watching right now, yes, you gotta subscribe. Hit that red button right there and hit the like button. Drop a comment. Let me know how you like these videos. Share it. Catch you in another.